Hello, great learners. You're welcome once again to my channel. On today's lecture, we're looking at arithmetic progression, known as AP. And the question we have here says that the third term of an AP is minus 9 and the seventh term is minus 29. We're asked to find the 10th term of that very progression. So quickly, without wasting time, we get to solution. The third term is minus 9 and our T3 is A plus 2D. And that is equals to what? The minus 9. This is the formula for what? For the third term. Then also the seventh term, we are told is 29. And the expression for the seventh term is A plus what? 6D. You subtract 1 from this, that's this, subtract 1 from this, that's that. And you have that as what? Minus 29. Now if we call this equation 1 and call this equation 2, clearly you can see here that the coefficient of the A, they are the same. So we can apply what here? We can apply elimination method in order to eliminate what? The A. And with the instruction here will be what? We should subtract what? Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So if that's the case, A minus A, that will be 0. 2D minus what? 6D will give us what? Negative 4D. Then on the right hand side, minus 9 minus 29. Minus 9 minus 29 will give us minus 9 plus 29. And that will give us what? That will give us positive 20. So from here, if we divide both sides by 4, divide both sides of the equation by 4, we end up having what? We end up having our common difference as minus 5. Now that we have the common difference as minus 5, we substitute. I will say put D equals minus 5 into any of the equation, either 1 or 2, in order for us to get the value of the first term, A. Put D into equation 1. Let's use equation 1. So that gives us what? A plus 2. Don't forget our common difference now is D, is minus 5 rather. And we'll have minus 9 here. Okay, so that gives us A. 2 times minus 5, that will give us negative 10. Then we have minus 9 here. Then if we move the 10 to the right hand side, that gives us minus 9. This cross as positive 10. So the value of A, which is the first term, is what? Is 1. Now our common difference is minus 5, and our first term is what? Is 1. If you're getting any value from today's lecture, please don't forget to hit the like button for us and smash the subscribe button, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topics like this. And also, you can also help us to share this channel to your friends and your classmates so that they can also benefit from this. Now let's proceed now. Now the question says now we should find the 10th term. Therefore, what's our 10th term? 10th term is equal to what? A plus what? 9D. Now we already have our A, we already have our D, so we substitute. Our A is 1 and our D is minus 5. So that gives us what? 1. This time this will give us minus 45. And we'll subtract 1 from that will give us minus 44. And that's the solution to this very interesting question in arithmetic progression. One more time, I do encourage you to please give us a like on this video if you benefited from it, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topics like this that you're expected to see in your what? Your WAEC and your JAM examination. So let's see this second question now, still on the nth term of an AP. We are asked to find the first term of the sequence x plus 1, 2x minus 18, and 2x minus 1. So quickly, we get the solution. Now, common difference. No, we're asked to find the first term. Okay, fine. So we need to get the common difference first. And now for us to get common difference, what do? Common difference is going to be what? The second term minus the first term. That is T2 minus T1, or what? Or T3 minus T2. So if that's the case, so our common difference here becomes what? 2x, which is the T2, which is the second term, minus 18. We subtract what? The first term, which is x plus 1. Now you see that or 2x minus 1, we subtract what? The second term, which is 2x minus 18. Now either of them will give you what? Same thing, so we can equate both of them. So from this one, we're going to have, from the first one here, that will give us what? 2x minus 18, minus times this is minus x, minus times this is minus 1. So from this very one now we get what? 2x minus x, that's x. Then minus 18 minus 1 should give us what? Minus 19. Then okay, if we like, we can call this one 1, call this one 2. Then from 2 we have 2x minus 1, minus times this is minus 2x, while minus times this is positive what? Positive 18. And that gives us what? 2x minus 2x, that's 0. Minus 1 plus 18, that will give us what? That will give us 17. So I equate it here that what? That therefore, this and this are equal, they are the same because both of them will give us common difference. X minus 19 is the same thing as what? It's the same thing as 17. So if we cross this to the side, our S becomes what? 19 as positive now, plus 17. And that will give us what? That will give us 36. That's the value of what? X. But remember, we're asked to find the first term. And our first term there is what? X plus 1. Now we have the value of x of 36. Therefore, our first term becomes what? The 36 plus 1. And that gives us 37. And that's the first term for that what? For that particular sequence. So this will be the size of our class for today. One more time, if you've got any value from the two questions, please do well to hit the like button and also subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topics like this. And also don't forget, you can also help us to share this channel so that your friends and classmates and colleagues can also benefit from this. So until I see you in our next lecture, this is Maths Theatre TV, and don't forget, your success is my delight. Peace.